Beyond finances, how can Shreem Brzee help us emotionally, mentally, and spiritually?
Shreem Brzee is an all-encompassing mantra. It not only will give you money, financial gains, it will also remove your karma, particularly the Brzee part of it. Unless you remove your karma, your body, mind, and soul will not have peace. See, karma is the baggage that is coming to you, coming from birth after birth after birth after birth. And karma is responsible for repetitive thoughts, and thoughts you are obsessed on, although you don't want it, it still comes. All this cannot go away by your own effort. What you do, you have to take the help of the divine. And that happened, and the divine will come and remove the karma. Once the karma is removed, then you won't be bothered emotionally or mind-wise, or even at the level of the body, because the diseases are also due to your previous karma. So it's not only, Shreem Brzee is not only mantra for making money or financial freedom, but it is also for your relationship, for your body, mind, and soul to function optimally.